So for CAD CAM Notes, open funmech.com, funmech.wordpress.com. Under that, go to menu. In the menu, you will have CAD CAM subject. Subject notes and assignments hai. Click on subject notes and assignments. Under that, you will have CAD CAM. In menu, go to subject notes. Under that, 5th sem CAD CAM. That link you have to click. Once you click on that link, that page will open. And below you can see notes on unit 1. Notes on unit 1, if you tap, it will open the file. If you have Google Docs, it will open in Google Docs. If you don't have Google Docs, it will open in Google Drive. Then when you slide down, unit 1, you can see there is no link because this is unit 1 note itself. If you want unit 2 is appearing in blue with underline, which means it has been linked. If you tap on it, the unit 2 notes will open.
Yes.
Fine. If you close it, you will get back to unit 1. Then unit 3, unit 4, unit 5. All of them have been linked. You can download as PDF if you want. So unit 4 you open for now. Unit 4 you can open. Check out the full notes. Fine. So images have been placed, previous questions from previous papers that are relevant to a particular topic that have been mentioned. For marks and other details you need to add. Fine. So he's taking up 4th unit.
Oh, sir.
So like this you can check all the units, notes on all the units. Fine. There are links placed within the file also.
Yes, yes.
Syllabus, if you go to 4th unit, the syllabus, there are some links. So you can just tap on the particular topic.
Yes.
It will jump to that particular topic. And after the topic, there is a link for go back to syllabus. If you tap on that, it will go back to the syllabus. Fine. So you can jump forward and backward between the syllabus and the topic to complete reading. Fine. So you can also use this scroller on the right side. Fine. So when you are scrolling, it will display the headings.
Yes.
Suitable headings will be displayed. So you can just drag like that, or you can just make shift between the syllabus and the topic of the syllabus. Just by tapping on particular topic, it will jump to that topic. And by tapping at the end, go back to syllabus, you can jump back to the syllabus. Fine.